Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about updating a URL by changing it to a custom slug. In IWP, Drupal, URLs are typically auto-generated by using the group site name and the content title, such as a page or an article. However, you can customize this by manually setting it as a custom slug. So what is a slug? A slug is the URL-friendly part of the web paths page. It's usually in the final segment of the URL. It's automatically created from the content title and helps make the URLs human readable and SEO friendly. Note, custom slugs must be unique from within your group site. So, for example, if your blog post is titled, and for example, I'm not using a blog post, I'm using like my article. As you can see up top here, it's like ucanr.edu/site, IWP training, adding collection pages and everything like that. We're going to get into this, show you right here how to do this. Gotta wait for it. Here's the custom slug right here. The default would be everything that I read out at the top before that we saw. And if we prefer a shorter slug, you can update the slug to, I'm going to say collections to pages. So that's what we're going to make it for the shorter version. Or you can simply enter the custom slug and the system will automatically convert it to a URL friendly format. And it's going to be with hyphens. You're going to have to sure that we're going to save our page, like save our updates and everything. Now, one thing that you guys do have to know, there are going to be some naming guidelines. You have to use lowercase letters, separate words with hyphens, not spaces or underscores, and avoid special characters or accents. And finalizing your custom slug. To apply your custom slug across the system, you're going to need developer support. So submit an IWP ticket and include the following: the original URL or the group site and the content, the new URL you're changing it to, and a request for bulk update on the cron. This step ensures the new URL is properly updated across all references in the system. I'm not doing that here just because this is a small little site development just for my article and everything like that. So obviously we're not doing like a group web page or anything like